Do you love gardening but lack space? Many people face this challenge, especially in urban areas where outdoor space is limited. Don't worry, vertical gardening is the answer. It's a fantastic way to maximize your gardening potential without needing a large area. This method uses walls, trellises, and hanging planters to grow plants upwards. By utilizing vertical space, you can create a lush garden, even in the smallest of areas. It's perfect for small gardens, balconies, or even indoors. You can bring nature into your home, no matter how limited your space is. Vertical gardening helps you grow more in less space. Imagine harvesting fresh vegetables or enjoying vibrant flowers right from your vertical garden. Imagine fresh vegetables, vibrant flowers, and lush greenery all thriving vertically. It's a beautiful and efficient way to garden. With a little creativity, you can transform any small area into a green oasis. Vertical gardens can be customized to fit any style or space. This guide will explore various vertical gardening techniques. From simple DIY projects to more elaborate setups, there's something for everyone. You'll learn how to build your own vertical garden using simple materials. We'll provide step-by-step instructions to make it easy and fun. We'll discuss the benefits and provide easy-to-follow steps for success. Vertical gardening is not only space efficient, but also rewarding. So are you ready to embark on your vertical gardening journey? Let's get started and turn your small space into a thriving green haven. The walls aren't just for holding up your house, they can be living canvases for your plants. Wall-mounted planters come in various sizes and materials, from recycled plastic to elegant terracotta. Choose what suits your style and the plants you want to grow. Here's how to create your own wall garden. First, select a sturdy wall that receives adequate sunlight. Then choose wall-mounted planters with good drainage. Use a high-quality potting mix suitable for your chosen plants. Plant your favorite herbs, flowers, or even vegetables, and remember to water regularly, ensuring excess water drains away. Trellises are like jungle gyms for your climbing plants. They provide support and add a touch of elegance to your garden. You can buy trellises or easily make your own using bamboo stakes, wooden lattices, or even recycled materials. Follow these steps for a successful trellis setup. First, choose a sunny spot in your garden or balcony. Install your trellis securely, ensuring it can support the weight of your plants. Plant climbing vegetables like cucumbers, beans, or tomatoes near the base. Gently guide the plant tendrils onto the trellis as they grow, and of course, water regularly, providing extra moisture during hot weather. Section 4. Hanging Gardens, Cascading Beauty and Bounty. Hanging gardens are a delightful way to bring nature into your living space, whether indoors or outdoors. Hanging planters are like living sculptures, adding a touch of whimsy and greenery to any space. They can transform a dull corner into a vibrant oasis. They're perfect for trailing plants, cascading flowers, and even some vegetables. Imagine the beauty of cascading flowers or the practicality of growing your own fresh produce. Create your own hanging garden with these simple steps. It's easier than you might think and incredibly rewarding. First, choose sturdy hanging baskets or planters made from materials like wire, plastic, or coconut fiber. These materials ensure durability and longevity. Ensure the planters have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Proper drainage is crucial for the health of your plants. Use a lightweight potting mix and add water-retaining crystals to keep the soil moist. This helps maintain the right balance of moisture for your plants. Next, plant your favorite trailing plants such as strawberries, petunias, or spider plants. These plants thrive in hanging environments and add a splash of color. Finally, water regularly, especially during hot and windy conditions. Consistent watering ensures your hanging garden remains lush and healthy. Section 5. Vertical Victory, Reap the Rewards of Upward Growth. Vertical gardening offers numerous benefits for both your garden and the environment. It's an innovative way to make the most of limited space, especially in urban settings where ground space is scarce. By growing upwards, you maximize space, allowing for more plants in smaller areas. This method is perfect for balconies, patios, and even small backyards. This means higher yields of fresh produce and an abundance of beautiful blooms. Imagine harvesting your own vegetables and herbs right from your wall. Vertical gardens also improve air circulation, reducing the risk of pests and diseases. The vertical setup allows for better airflow, which keeps plants healthier. Plus, they create a stunning visual impact, transforming dull walls and fences into vibrant living tapestries. These green walls can become the focal point of any outdoor space, so why wait? Embrace the joys of vertical gardening today and experience the rewards of growing up, not out. It's a fun and rewarding project for the whole family. With a little creativity and effort, you can create a thriving vertical garden that brings beauty, bounty, and a touch of nature to your doorstep. Start small, dream big, and watch your garden grow.